Good morning, students. Today we will do the theorem of triangle. Its name is Pythagoras theorem. This theorem is also known as the Baudian theorem. The statement of this Pythagoras theorem is, in a right triangle the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. So in order to prove this, let us draw a right angle triangle. Suppose this is a right angle triangle. Let us name as A, B, C. This is right angle triangle. So what is given? Given is a triangle ABC, which is right angled at the point B. And what we want to prove? We want to prove that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now in order to prove this theorem, we have to do the construction. Construction is, we will draw a perpendicular from B over AC. So let this be perpendicular. So construction is, draw BD perpendicular to AC. Now to prove this theorem, we have to recall another theorem that says that if a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of a right angle of a right triangle to the hypotenuse, then the triangles on the both the side of the perpendicular are similar to whole triangle and to each other. So we'll use this. Now proof. In triangle ADB and triangle ABC. Now we can show these two triangles as similar because here angle ADB is 90 degree and angle ABC is also 90 degree. And angle A is common in both the triangles. So we can say that these two triangles are similar. Triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC by double A, similarity. When triangles are similar, we can take the ratio because side corresponds. So we can write AD upon AB equal to AB upon AC. This is our first equation, or you can simplify it further. You just cross multiply. So you will get AB square equal to AD into AC. This is our first equation. Similarly, if you look at the triangle BCD, that is in triangle BCD and triangle ACB, you will find that angle CDB is equal to angle CBA, that is 90 degree. Here angle C and angle C are common. So we can say that triangle BCD is similar to triangle ACB by double A, similarity. Now again we can take the ratio of sides. So BC upon AC is equal to DC upon BC. Now we'll cross multiply. So we'll get BC square equal to DC into AC. This is our equation number 2. Now what we'll do? We'll add the equation number 1 and 2. So on adding equation 1 and 2, we will get AB square plus BC square equal to AD into AC plus DC into AC. You will notice that we can take AC common. We will take AC common. So AD plus DC will be left. Now if you look at the figure, now we are having AD plus DC. If you look at the figure, where if you add AD plus DC, you will get AC. So we'll write that AC and AD plus DC is AC. So we will get AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. In this way, this Pythagoras theorem is proved.